Chelsey here with the Verde Canyon Railroad. You'll notice before you board the train, each car has a name on the side of it, a nod to special places here in Arizona. This one, the Sedona, not only has unique history, but it's also been renovated. Check this out. Along with the historic interior wallpaper that showcases the history of Sedona and the town, the car has a legend of its own. This is one of the 16 52-seat coaches ordered by the Santa Fe in 1937. It was eventually sold to Penn Central in 1969, then New Jersey's Department of Transportation, and Cimarron River Valley Scenic Railway in Oak Hollow, Oklahoma. In the early 90s, the car found its way to Wyoming, then a short stint climbing through the Medicine Bow Mountains before joining Verde Canyon Railroad in 1995. The renovation took place in 2024. The total turnaround time of getting a car readied for passenger comfort is at least 6 months, and that's only if the infrastructure is intact. This particular car needed to have walls removed to accommodate more passengers, an updated restroom, and a new bar. The entire interior skin is new, along with state-of-the-art air conditioning and a modern sound system. New windows allow sunshine in without ultraviolet rays. Craftsmen from several genres were members of the team that gave the old Sedona a new chance to be born again. So the next time you're in one of these cars, take in all the special details and cherish the fact that you're now part of its history too.